The forecast was sunny and 27 degrees. Good morning, welcome to today's video. We're riding some bikes in London and redoing a video that we've already done for jam cycling. We just needed a better location. Oh, you got flashies?
Yeah, the back.
This is the most miserable day. Not ever.
Compounded it by wearing glasses, which are really unnecessary.
No, it's fine, they're ski goggles.
Ski
They're
goggles.
for like snow. So far we're off to a bad start. George has forgotten the front wheel to his bike, so he's in the basement.
Winding, aren't they? Oh, hello.
Yeah, that was a nightmare.
Ah,
You right?
I had to walk up the stairs in me. What's it? Should we go do some photos? Coffee?
Known you in my past life, but these days feel a whole lot similar. All of these women look a little too familiar. Everybody praying to the same dream. Some ghost 18. Shit, I was the same when I was
Location
18.
number one. We wanted sort of an urban environment to get some shots of George on a TT bike, nice and clean. Battersea Park just wasn't cutting it, so we're redoing one of the videos that we made. What do you reckon? Hello! She looks badass.
Doesn't she? How do you want to make this one work? Should we do what we always do? I'll ride my bike around, you do some filming?
Yeah.
And then Jess ride the bike around, you do some filming?
Yeah, we
Nice.
make it up as we go along.
Pretty much.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
World famous Jo Kendrick. You just found me in a tunnel.
We were just standing in the tunnel, dude.
We need to catch up and talk about a very special challenge that you did. Because
A very, very
it was
long,
insane.
A very, very long fixed gear ride.
We'll do it. We'll catch up soon. Good amount of lift on that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Aero.
So that guy was Jo Kendrick. He just broke the record for riding a lap of Australia fixed gear after he basically did the Indian Pacific wheel race, finished it, fixed gear, and then carried on riding forever. He's going to have some pretty cool stories to tell, and hopefully we can get it on film at some point.
Seems like a mentaloid. I like that.
Yeah. He was like, oh, good job riding to Paris fixed gear. I was like, like, compared to what you've done, Jesus Christ. Go! Oh, there's a van. That was hard work. You feeling all right in a gilet in this weather?
Yeah.
Actually, it's kind of,
It's
it's
quite
all right.
It's a bit blowy, isn't it?
Yeah, look at your hair. It's blown all over the place.
Wind.
Just joking, it's always like that. Aero thing, nice. Yeah, you look aero. The most exciting thing George has found out today is that his toe cover thingies, they're officially called toe thingies, have got a left and right. So every time you've been wearing them the wrong way round, they've actually, but you, yeah, it makes you slower. Yeah. Cheers, mate.
Love it when it happens. Look at that.
Science. This afternoon we've got a couple more shoots to do. Namely, we've kind of done this video backwards. We're now going to film the first half, which is Jess on an indoor trainer. His trousers look weird.
Love these trousers.
They look comfortable, but they look weird. And I've got the zip. Oh mate, see? Oh no. Oh, that's so weird.
I like them when I'm driving. They're quite useful post-race to stick on. What's wrong with them? Judge. I'm just getting judged.
Burger doesn't come with chips, and it's £4.
I got no words.
Can I borrow the key and put Tim back upstairs, please?
Yeah.
No.
Fine, like. Really?
What are you doing in your stupid trousers? Trying to pump that? What?
I'm tubeless tyre. Not mine, must add. Needs air.
You're supposed to put some sealant in it, I'm sure.
But that just doesn't help us right now. You put sealant in afterwards. You can inject that in afterwards. First, you've got to seat the tyre, right? Which normally you'd have like one of them automatic pumpies for. We've got this fucker.
And you.
And these.
You're an automatic puppy.
I'm
Go
an
on.
automatic pumpy. I think we're getting nowhere. Except for tyres.
The thing is, like, bang for buck. You're at work, and you get a turbo session done.
Yeah, all in a day's work, literally.
Look at the handwriting.
Well, I'll just take it off.
Look. Miserable Nick's handwriting.
How
I.e. a child's handwriting.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's miserable Nick been
Tuning
infiltrating
peg.
my building.
Oh no, it's like a pork
dental.
thing.
It's when you are carving big bits of meat, obviously not you, when I'm carving big bits of meat, I use this, so I was going to use it.
Before the taxidermy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not sure why I've got it in my hand.
Great.
Oh. It's just nutrition.
Mushrooms, medicinal.
The magic ones?
Yeah, so you can rejuvenate, regenerate, repair and recover.
Oh God. Too liney, mate.
Too fucking liney.
Good idea though.
Mate, great idea, not well enough executed yet.
Can you quickly go and knit a version of this
Without lines.
without lines? Sean Sacco's good at knitting. He knits his own socks. We'll fly him in from Cape Town now.
You're not recovering fast enough. You might get beat by me.
This is a weird place to work. It reminds me of Jack Nicholson in The Shining, the last scene. You know when he's all frozen.
Yeah. That's weird. Does he die in that scene?
Well, he's frozen.
Yeah.
I mean, he might be cryogenically frozen, so don't know. What kind of snow do they have in Stephen King novels?
Yeah, I'm in.
Right, I'm out of here. I'll leave this all of this mess for you guys, yeah? Oh my God. What are the chances? Same cycle lane.
But made it further.
How is it? Is it alright?
Yeah, it's not too bad. It's all muscular now. The perks of being young.
Mike alright?
We're seeing. I'm going to take it to Evans, believe it or not. I might not have just tightened it up, and I might have just been stupid.
Maybe. But it wasn't your fault. That was a massive reverse pothole in the floor.
I know. They got rid of it now.
They did it the
Yeah,
day
you told me
after.
it.
That's
Yeah,
insane.
That's so annoying. They had to see your video before I got kicked coming over. So.
Well, I'm glad you're feeling better, dude.
Yeah, cheers, man. Take care.
Hello.
Hi, good evening viewers. Welcome to this evening's video.
7 beers down, mate.
7 beers down, you lying shit. Sort of stuff that he was doing when he fell off and broke his mech hanger.
Where are we going?
We're going to top secret location.
So we're going to a top secret location. Something to do with what we talked about a bit the other day. That I can't tell you.
You're not a YouTube watcher.
What?
You don't realise how annoying that is. It's really annoying.
This is weird. It's like a dark alley.
Yeah,
Why is James taking us down here?
It doesn't feel good. Dogging.
Hi guys, where are we?
It's a secret.
This is James Bond's, where he gets all his gadgets.
He needed a short stem for gangles.
What, so is this bike related, this thing?
No, it's not at all. We'll close that drawer.
What's the draw?
And walk away. Guess
Everyone
what?
thinks we're doing another road trip.
Everyone thinks
Not
we're
that
well,
low.
we are going to do.
Yeah,
we are going
that's
to do
not a
another road
secret.
trip, aren't we?
That's not a secret.
But the secret's something else. I've done something.
Idiot.
Done something.
Let's go.
Is this what you've done? You bought a laser quest?
What the fuck is that? It's got an alien. Come and give you an probe.